Consider long positions in ASTL, MFL, DAWH, FATIMA, and INDU. Evaluate short positions in LUC, INIL, CHCC, AGTL, and PIOC. Suggested to maintain current long positions in KAPCO, PREMA, Unity, PPL, DSL, FLYNG, OCTOPUS, SNGP, POL, WTL, GHNI, SEARL, ACPL, STCL, BWCL, HINOON, LOADS, NBP, NETSOL, APL, FFL, PREMA, CEPB, MDL, GGGL, ASL, GATM, DAWH, NML, FEROZ, MLCF, EPCL, GTYR, BGL, EFERT, AGP, GGL, WAVES, PTL, HUBC, FFC, ICL, AVN, GHGL, TELE, FCCL, MIRKS, PL, AGL, MARI, OGDC, FFPL, HWQS, ANL, LACHM, PSO, ABL, TRG, CIS, WHN, and PKGP. Recommended to maintain current short positions in BIPL, NRL, BAFL, ABOT, Power, and NONS. Consider strong buy signals for MCB, PREMA, CEPB, and ABN. Evaluate selling positions in POL, ACPL, Haskell, DGKC, ENGRO, INIL, FCCL, and AGTL. Consider holding positions in PRL, MRNS, PPL, DSL, FLYNG, SNGP, WTL, GHNI, ISL, SEARL, ASTL, STCL, BWCL, HINOON, LOADS, NBP, NETSOL, APL, FFL, MDL, GGGL, ASL, GATM, PSMC, NML, DAWH, FEROZ, MLCF, GTYR, EFERT, AGP, GGL, WAVES, PTL, HUBC, FATIMA, FFC, ICL, INDU, GHGL, TELE, MIRKS, PL, MARI, OGDC, FFPL, HWQS, ANL, BOP, MEBL, PSO, ABL, CIS, WHN, and PKGP. Consider holding positions in LUC, HBL, PIOC, and MOGOL.